Right, now it's time for something I've been looking forward to. This little package, finally got it. It's a sunroof, made for a Beetle originally, but I've been measuring and it should fit. Let's measure it up and see how it goes. Now I have a hole in the roof. Sweet. Now I'm gonna need to flatten this shit out and make the pieces fit. Let's try to put on the rails to see if it fits. It should, but you never know. Perfect. These two. Stiffen the roof. Right. And the bars that holds the canvas. Yeah. They of course need to be trimmed down, but you get an idea of here. Right. That. And that. Perfect. Sweet. I need to flatten down these lines here, and then it's ready, I think. Sweet. So, next task, flatten this out. Right, now I'm going to try to flatten this out, most of it. So the frame will go back here, and then the canvas will go around here, I think. So I need to flatten this out, but I want to keep a small portion left just for fun, just for looks. So we'll see how that goes. First I need to cut it up. Like that. And then now it's time to weld it and shape it as I want it. Great. Think this will be nice? Ha! Check it out. Yeah? Just as I imagine. This will be nice. Now for the other one. Right? Now just a little pin. And then I like it. I'm pretty happy with this little bundle. It will be fine. Sweet. Now it's time to make the aluminium profiles frame. Make it fit. Make most of the holes so I have them before paint. So yeah, that's the task now. Now I'm gonna trim the front and rear part of the frame. Yeah. And drill some holes. Right. Now the bars are ready. So now it's just to mark up the hole and drill, and then ready. Now the frame is on. Now the body, the doors, the roof, everything is ready. Now I will paint it. It's winter time and I need to wait for some warmer weather. If I'm lucky, I get a couple warm days in the next few weeks. So it may take some time before the next episode, but as soon as it's painted, see you then.